This video is to help you ready preparations needed before launching your first ad in BIGO Ads. To run ads in BIGO Ads, what you need is simply an ad account, but this account needs to meet 3 conditions. First, this account should be requested specially for your app or the landing page that you are going to promote. Second, you need to authorize this account to your media buyers. And third, your account should have balance inside. And in this slides, I'm going to show you the process on how to get this ad account. Step 1, you need to register. You need to get yourself a user account. Step 2, you need to create a business center and an ad account. Step 3, you need to invite members, for example, your media buyers, to the BC and authorize them with the ad account. And step 4, you need to allocate balance to the account. And after we finish all the 4 steps above, we get ready an ad account meeting all the conditions. So I'm going to do a demo to go through all the process we just mentioned here. So step 1, register. We need to go to the BIGO Ads register page. And here we find the sign up button and we'll key on it. And in the sign up page, you need to fill in your email address. And fill in the verification code. Then our system sent you a verification email to your mailbox. And what you need to do is to check your mailbox on the notify email and verify it. And then set up your password and username. Then you get yourself a user account, which means we finished step 1. And then step 2, we need to create a business center and create an ad account. We need to log in with the user account we just created. And after login in this page, we have a button to create business center. And in this page, one thing I need to emphasize is the time zone and the currency. These 2 information, once you submit the request, it cannot be changed or edited again. So please be cautious when you choose them. And then click on continue. In this page, we start to submit information about your ad account. We recommend you to name your ad account with the product name and a number. And also the time zone cannot be changed once you submit. And also we recommend you to fill in the real expected daily spend and your real KPI, which will help our AM to monitor and provide suggestions to you with the more accurate evaluation. And in this page, you are going to submit certifications and information needed by our moderation team. It's very important because it will impact on the account result, whether your account can be approved or not. So what you need to do is fill in all the mandatory information which marked with a red star. Before you submit your account request, you need to double check on 2 key points. First, you need to make sure that the company name here is exactly the same as is shown in your certification. And second, you need to fill in the real product link. Either it's the Google Play Store link, App Store link, or the landing page you are going to promote. If not, then your account might be rejected. Then you need to accept our policy and submit the request. By now, you have submitted ad account request successfully. And we finish step 2. And the next step, we need to invite members to this business center and then authorize this ad account to them. Then we click on back to home and we are back to the business center dashboard. Then we go to users, member, and invite members. And here, one thing I need to emphasize, the member that you invite need to register in our platform first. If you fill in the email, the user email, and you find out that there is a error message pop up, which means this user haven't registered in our platform. So you need to ask your member to register themselves within user account following step 1. Okay, so by now we have finished step 3 and we need to move on to step 4. To allocate balance to ad account, we need to go to Business Center dashboard, balance, and allocate balance. Here we can see the ad account that we just request, and we choose to increase balance, fill in the amount that we need to add, and key on OK. So far, we have finished all the 4 steps here, and we get ourselves an ad account that ready to run ads. Congratulations. And maybe you will have a question about the relationship between business center and ad account. So let's take a look at this slide. A business center is a management tool for you to manage all your ad accounts. In BIGO Ads Platform, we recommend you to use one ad account for one product or one app. So if you have more than one product that you want to promote in BIGO Ads, then you will have many ad accounts. So you can use the business center to manage them as a whole. So if you are an agency, then I will recommend you to ask BIGO Ads AM to create you an agency center. An agency center is a higher level tool that you can use to manage business center. So if you have a client who want to run ads at their end, or you have another agency that want to cooperate with BIGO Ads through your company, then you can create a business center for them. Then they can manage their own ad accounts, their own products inside their business center individually. So to summarize, the difference between using an agency center or not is that if you use an agency center, you can create a business center for advertiser or clients. You can authorize them as admin so they can request for accounts or invite members or allocate balance by themselves. But if you don't have the agency center, you will need to do all the actions above for them. And this is about all about the information about the video.